My name is Ramon, and this is Group 4 with Sarahi, Gissela, Roberto, and Pablo. This is Group 4, and this is our video on cognitive function and memory and the effects of exercise on these parts. So what this video is going to contain is different exercises from breathing to aerobic to cardio to strength, what all these exercises can do to help improve the brain's function and cognitive and memory, where we have some studies with cancer survivors, ADHD, and also exercises that can help with Alzheimer's disease, as long as some other exercises which are breathing, which are a lot calmer and more therapeutic to the brain.
Breathing exercises. Exercises that improve cognitive function don't have to be aerobic exercises. We have compiled research supporting breathing exercises as a way to treat anxiety, improve mood, and cognition. Previous research has shown long-term mindfulness training has beneficial effects on cognitive functioning and emotional regulation. These breathing exercises follow a specific structure of breath work with specific timed intervals of exhalation and inhalation and time in between them. Guided videos or audio can help when a person is first beginning. The exercises focus the mind on small things like the feeling of breathing or a person's surroundings. These exercises help lower anxiety and improve mood by quieting the mind and letting a person focus on small things instead of overwhelming feelings that come from things that need to get done, or feelings of anxiety from a specific situation, or even just fear of not knowing what tomorrow holds. Research studies show that this type of intentional breathing can help a person regulate their emotions, and this is a huge finding because it puts mental health back in the hands of the individual and reveals that there is hope where a person previously thought that medication was the only solution. We're going to be doing a small exercise demonstration, and to prepare for this, we're going to want to close our eyes, settle into a comfortable sitting position, bring awareness to our body, and focus on the sensations of breathing. We're going to breathe in for 4 seconds, hold for 2 seconds, and exhale for 6 seconds. Alright, let's breathe in, hold, and exhale. Perfect. We can try and do it one more time. Let's go ahead and breathe in, hold, and exhale for 6 seconds. Perfect. This exercise can help you focus on your body and be present so that you lower any feelings of anxiety and can move forward with your day.
People at any age can benefit from high-intensity cardiovascular exercise. There is extensive research showing that this type of exercise improves brain health along with the well-known physical development. A study found that rats that did a significant amount of intense cardiovascular exercise improved their long-term memory compared to the control group. Meanwhile, when they did the same experiment with humans, they found a statistically significant improvement in their associative memory 4 hours after they had exercised. According to previous research in animals, it was hypothesized that exercise liberates neurotransmitters that are crucial to the encoding and retrieval of memories. In a different study, they had people separated into 3 groups: a high-intensity exercise, low-intensity, and relaxing group. BDNF, brain-derived neurotrophic factor, is an important neurotransmitter regulator that was measured for all 3 groups in the beginning of the procedure, after learning 20 Polish and German words, and after they had exercised. The BDNF serum concentration between the low-intensity exercise group and the relaxing group did not differ, but the one for the high-intensity group was significantly higher than both. Furthermore, the high-intensity exercise group recalled the most words. This demonstrates that high-intensity exercise directly impacts cognition.
Sometimes, after breast cancer patients have undergone chemotherapy, they report experiencing cognitive dysfunction. They begin to perform badly on cognitive related functions such as neuropsychological tests of working memory, processing speed, motor performance, spatial ability, and verbal ability, all of which can have a negative effect on quality of life for patients. However, cognitive rehabilitation strategies have begun to surface. In a study conducted by the Facility of Medicine in the University of British Columbia, and others found that aerobic exercise can improve cognitive function in breast cancer survivors. Women who did an assigned 24-week aerobic exercise intervention had a reduced time to complete a processing speed test than the control group, who showed no improvement in self-reported cognitive function. So here are some exercises that were in the study that can actually help with cognitive function with breast cancer survivors. Here we have exercises. You can do anything from walking to jogging to swimming, and some other exercises other than cardio could be seated lateral raises, seated bicep curls, or single arm row or lunge. These exercises can improve endurance and strength, but also the main focus of these exercises is to help cancer survivors with cognitive function decline that they've reported. Exercise has been proven beneficial for the brain, and especially in alleviating the effects of Alzheimer's disease. In the study, the effects of exercise on the structure of cognitive-related brain regions, a meta-analysis of functional neuroimaging data, a group of scientists discovered the adverse effects of including Alzheimer's disease in rats by injecting STZ while studying the effects in rats with Alzheimer's disease. They also experimented on the rats while they ran 30 minutes on a treadmill for 14 consecutive days. While the injections of STZ proved to have impaired the rats' long-term memory and had decreased the number of CFOS positive cells in the rat's hippocampus, the exercise of running 30 minutes daily actually proved beneficial, as it alleviated the effects of the STZ injection, where it also improved CFOS cells in the hippocampus. Highlighting the treadmill exercise can be used to combat several neurodegenerative diseases. So anything with cardio or any exercise can actually help improve some conditions that somebody's having while dealing with Alzheimer's disease. So going out for a jog on the treadmill, running, swimming, anything that deals with cardio can actually help alleviate Alzheimer's disease side effects from it.
Our brain is a vital organ to our being, and we must do what we can to take care of it. By doing these exercises from cardio, aerobic, strength, and breathing exercises, we can not only improve our bodily functions, but improve our brain's cognitive and memory functions, as it can help alleviate chemotherapy side effects, lower chances of brain-related diseases such as Alzheimer's, and improve our overall cognitive functions.